Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a joint hands drawing in which we're going to show joint hands but in this kind of pose. So, or if you look at it from the side, it's kind of like that. So, but we are showing it from the palm angle. So let's say that we're showing it from the most complex angle, and we're going to place them like this so that they're better accommodated on the paper. So let's give each hand an area first, 1 and 2. So ovals can do or circles can do because we're putting them down. Let's put like this center line, as a balancing as a balancing thing for both the hands. So the palms or the butt of each hand are meeting right here. So we are going to, let's do that first. And give the knuckle set. Get the knuckle set going. Put an oval here for the thumb. Extend that out. So everything that we do here will pretty much correspond with this. Now, it might be off if you're doing this as a quick sketch, but if you're taking your sweet time, then it will be more balanced. Or you could just draw lines like that so that everything that is being done is pretty much in balance or close enough. For instance, this knuckle has to go here, this has to shift here, and then this and this. So we will actually do this a little better as we go along. So now we start putting down the, let's say that we put down the hooks that we always do for the fingers. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, sorry, let's do that like this. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So if you have just a shape like that, it'll pretty much work. Then right here, same exercise, except that we don't have to do the placement exactly like that. So perhaps to make it a little more dynamic, we are doing 1, 2. So sharp angle and 3. So sharp spider legs there. And then we're going about 1, 2, and 3. So we're showing more foreshortening on this hand than this one. And then 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Real scrunch over there. And we can start putting down some fingers now, right around this. So let's first get the easy part out of the way. And that is this, the thumb, let's say. Go into the skin folds right there, and then we come up on the side and stand here. Same exercise right here. As I mentioned, instinctively, no two hands are placed perfectly, even when corresponding like this. So we're just putting some some standard skin folds, lines there, and then we go into the fingers. So we can do sausages, as we always say. We could have done that there as well. Sausages always help to put down the shapes better. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Everyone has their own way of going about this, but this is one easy way for sure to get around this. And we see that it's already beginning to come together. Okay, so we have something going there. It looks a little messy right now, but of course you can do some marker work and get that cleaned up. So 1, 2, and 3. We just hope that you're able to follow in the interim. So 1, 2, and 3. As we mentioned, there's foreshortening here, so the fingers are more scrunched. 1, 2, and 3, and then finally 1, 2, and 3. Now we could just go around and put in the requisite shapes. That hand is a tad bit like taller for the fingers, so we will just do that. Try to make the fingers a little more beefy coming down. Thicken up the thumb there as well. So just some standard things can be taken care of while we are doing this, and that is how the adjoining folds, the skin folds work between the fingers, and how, sorry, we took out that crunch. And how compressed certain features are than others. So this hand a little bigger than this, but that's okay because, well, we can do this again and just make sure that this hand has that same balance that the other one does. But that is the idea behind putting the hands like that. Now I know that this could be just an expression, or it can be even an action pose. So let's say that we're using this made famous by the character Ryu in Street Fighter, and this hand cannot be used for anything else except for maybe a push to an object, and then the object has already moved away, and then just for grandstanding the hand is still in that position, or for dispensing energy if you're talking about pop culture. So let's say that we are using some foreshortening right here on either side and going like backward. So let's do a line here like that, coming back, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3. So it would be what we say features working there in a foreshortening sort of way, and there's the head of the character. So nose, mouth, and eyes, going into the squeeze like shoulders there. We could make this, or we could place him higher, make the foreshortening less, and make his features like stand out more. Or we could show him like around here, like we could even place his head here and make this like more dynamic. So we are spreading one arm like that, so one arm going back like that, that's the elbow, tricep, and delt, and there's the head right behind the hand, so one angry eye showing right there from the side, and then the other hand of course doesn't have to be in that same way because it's going that way, and there's the elbow ending right behind that hand, and there's the body. And so we can do all those different dynamic things with these pair of hands. Please try them out. We put out content pretty much every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.